Hello guys, welcome to Science Solution. Here we provide project development and training with different domains. So our branch is in Nashik. So let's talk about the session. So today's session is related about the JSON. So the rise of the web has taken JavaScript place. It was never conceived to be. Now it has become one of the most important language in today's world. It has actually built in order to expand the web now. Along with JavaScript come different extensions. One of them is JSON. In today's session, we will see what is JSON. Now, before we begin the session, let's have a look at the agenda. So, first we will discuss about what is JSON and why do we use JSON and different syntax rule involved in JSON, and then I will talk basic and fundamental. So, let's look about JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. The format was specified by Crockford. It was designed for human-readable data interchange. So, what is use of JSON? It is used while writing JavaScript-based application that include browser extension and website. JSON format is used for serializing and transmitting structured data over network connection. Have a look at a simple example in JSON. Here we created book object. After that colon and array. Here first array is id, language, edition, and another is id. Another id is 7. Here we mention id using this and opening brace and closing brace in id first, id second. And here we look simple program using JavaScript and HTML. Here we created one object in this language and author. Here document.write, JSON is JavaScript example is just mentioned, and here language. Here we use object1 dot language. Another is object1 dot author. So here we created object2. Here we have to access this language. Then we are call object2 dot language and another object2 dot author. This simple example in here output. So let it's simple example. Now we see. Firstly, see it is output, employee ID, employee name, and joining date. It's simple table, but this table we are created by JSON. Okay. So here body, and here we are using table tag. Table. In this we use class table strip border success, and here we mention table row. In table row employee ID, employee name, and joining date. Okay, and here data field ID, data field name, data field date. Here we are given text primary. Okay, so it is a in here we mention script document.ready. In here we are called table tag dot bootstrap table. In here my data is a variable that in stored JSON data, and that data we are fetching in data variable. Okay, so have a look here my data variable. In here id, name, and date. In another id, name, date. Same data means another different data is stored in a array, and this my data is a variable specified the JSON data to be displayed, and that given data we are fetching in a data variable, and that data is stored in a table. So here id, name, date, and here data field is a date, name, and id. In this way that JSON data is stored in Bootstrap table. So, thanks for watching this. Like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.